I'll show you the legitimate way how you can get Discord Nitro for free. So right now, Epic Games has a free Discord Nitro promotion here. So you can get a Discord Nitro completely for free right here. You can claim it from the web app here, or you can also just go to your actual Epic Games Store app if you already have one. So you can go to Epic Games Launcher here if you have it already. So you can see Epic Games here. Now on Epic Games, let's just wait for this to load. Once it loaded, you can just go to the search store here and then tap in Discord like this. And once you tap on Discord, you can see there's Discord Nitro right here. Now on Discord Nitro, let's just wait for this to load. Again, on here, you can see it's completely free. You can tap on Get here for Discord Nitro. And then once you tap on Get, you'll be put into a purchase page like this. Now, let's just wait for this to load. Now on here, you can see it'll be completely free like this. Tap on Place Order here. Now, once that's done, let's just wait for this to load. It'll start processing like this. And then that's it. Thanks for your order. Now we can go ahead and claim our Discord Nitro.